Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the environment and locating the tokens you want gone. Install Python 3, 8+, and the tokenizer library, then immediately back up your dataset so you can revert. Once done, load a sample of the data and run the tokenizer to inspect how lol appears as one token, multiple subword pieces, or with punctuation. Make sure to log the different forms, capitalization, attachments, because that determines whether you remove whole tokens or normalize before filtering. You now convert detection into actionable filtering. Normalize text to reduce variance, then run tokenizer. Encode to get token ID and offsets. If lol is split, map the subword sequence to a single logical match so you remove the grouping, not unrelated subwords. Once matched, choose removal versus replacement. Delete tokens and stitch surrounding text, or replace with a neutral placeholder. Also, maintain alignment metadata, so downstream labels or timestamps stay consistent when tokens are removed. You finish by applying the removal at scale and validating results. Run the routine on a small batch, retokenize, and inspect samples to ensure surrounding text isn't corrupted. Measure token frequency and input length distributions so you can adjust batching and padding. Once confident, process the full dataset, then retrain or fine-tune models as needed because vocabulary and context have changed. If things go wrong, restore the backup. Run the small batch test again, and compare token alignments to locate the mistake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.